is known as the land of midnight sun? Correct answer. Count it. Full form of NRC.
National Registration Certificate.
National Register of Citizens.
Yes, I will take it. Currency of Argentina.
Argentina. That's Argentina pesos.
Yeah, peso. I will take it. Inventor of AC.
Inventor of AC current or they want air conditioner.
Air conditioner. Author of Panchatantra.
Time up.
I have asked only 5 questions to you out of 10 questions. And out of 5 questions, 4 were correct answers. So, yes, 1, 2, 3. Yes. 15 marks. 5 marks we have already set to them. So, team B. अब आपका नंबर है. भाग के कहाँ जाओगे? पहले बता देते तो देख लेते ना. आता है आंसर बोलिए, नहीं आता पास कीजिए, टाइम लॉस मत कीजिए. ओके, विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट and your time starts now. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? No, sorry. Full form of NDA.
National Democratic Alliance.
Absolutely correct answer. Currency of China. नहीं आता है पास कीजिए. मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोलूंगा.
Next question.
इन्वेंटर ऑफ बाइसाइकिल.
Time up.
Sorry, that's all questions only I was able to ask you, and out of these only one question you gave the correct answer. So 5 marks to group B. Group C. Okay, ready? Your question. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? Full form of PMO. Currency of Russia. Inventor of computer. Yes, correct answer. Charles Babbage. Author of Mahabhashya. Mahavishnu Devi temple is located in? No, sorry, wrong answer. Capital of Brazil. Highest producer of banana in the world. Sorry.
Time up.
Yes. Out of 8 questions, only 1 question you have given the correct answer. You have got 5 points. So next, I am going to group D. आंसर आता है बोलिए, नहीं आता इमीडिएट पास. Don't lose your time. Okay, wishing you all the best. Your first question. Which country is called the land of white elephants? Yes, correct answer. Full form of email. Yes, correct answer. Currency of Japan. Yes, sorry. Inventor of X-ray. Author of Geet Govind. Where is Amarnath Caves? Sorry, wrong answer. Capital of South Korea. Yes, correct answer. Highest producer of milk in the world. Milk in the world.
Time up.
So out of this, you have given the correct answer of 1, 2, and 3. 15 points to group D. Group E, now your chance. Your question. Land of rising sun? Correct answer. CAA stands for?
Citizenship Amendment Act.
Yes, correct answer. Currency of Australia?
Australian dollar.
Yes, correct answer. Who invented internet?
Pass.
Author of Arthashastra?
Pass.
Where is Hawa Mahal located?
Hawa Mahal, Jaipur.
Yes, correct answer. Capital of Canada?
Ottawa.
Absolutely correct. Highest producer of millet in the world?
Millets.
Yes.
India.
Yes, correct answer. Hero of movie Lagan? Yes, correct answer. Who got the orange cap in this year's IPL? Yes, correct
Time
answer.
up.
So, how many questions did they answer? Yes, absolutely brilliant performance. Very good. Thank you. Now your turn. Ready? Okay, wishing you all the best. Your first question. Land of Golden Pagoda. Full form of SIM.
Subscriber identity module.
Yes, identification module. Currency of Bangladesh. Correct answer 1.
Taka.
Yes, correct. Inventor of mobile phone.
Pass.
Who wrote Bhagavad Gita?
Bhagavad Gita. Don't.
Where is Sarnath? Capital of Egypt. Highest producer of rice in the world. Yes, correct answer. Main hero of the movie Hum Aapke Hain Kaun?
Salman Khan.
Yes. Who got the purple cap in this year's IPL?
Kabir Surabhat.
Yes, correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 5. Thank you very much. Now it's your turn. Land of Thunderbolt. Wi-Fi full form.
Wireless candidate.
Fidelity. Yes, correct answer. Bhutaner currency. পেনিসিলিন কোনে ডিসকভার করেছিল? অভিজ্ঞান শকুন্তলম কোনে লিখেছিল? শালিমার বাগ কোত? ইন্দোনেশিয়ার রাজধানী কোট कैपिटल? हाईएस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ व्हीट गेहूं सबसे ज्यादा उत्पादन? रॉन्ग आंसर. हीरो ऑफ द मूवी एक था टाइगर. Yes, correct answer. In which country did last edition of IPL played? Last IPL কোন দেখাত হয়েছিল?
Time up.
Wrong answer. Last IPL means এইবার হই যোৱা IPL টো কত হয়েছিল?
Dubai.
Yes,
Only
yes,
two
yes.
answer, yes. Ready? टेंशन लेने का नहीं, टेंशन देने का. आराम से. Okay, all the best. Your first question. Playground of Europe. Full form of DNA. No. Currency of Brazil.
Brazilian.
No. Sorry, wrong answer. Inventor of TV. Author of Meghdutta. Jagannath Temple কত আছে? Capital of Bhutan. Yes, correct answer. Highest producer of potato in the world. Sorry, hero of the movie Dil Chahta Hai.
Time up.
दिल चाहता का कौन है हीरो? So after the completion of this rapid fire round, we have the scorer with us. I would like to request him to announce the marks, please. Here goes the mark like this. Group A scored 15, Group B scored 5, Group C scored 5, Group D scored 15, Group E is leading with 40 marks, Group F with 25 marks, Group G with 10 marks, and Group H with 5 marks. So thank you, Rajiv sir. So
it was a wonderful day as well as Maharaja. And your options are Sukhampa, Susengpa, Supatpa, and Sukhafa. Your time starts now.
Sukampa. Option number A.
So this is direct. You have to answer. Only one team will get chance to answer. There is no pass. So hit it. The correct answer is Susengpa. He was the 17th and one of the most prominent kings of the Ahom kingdom. Okay, thank you. Now next question to Group B. Mahatma Gandhi visited Assam in the year. Your options are 1918, 1919, 1920, and 1921. Time starts now. 20 seconds.
1919.
Hit it. And the correct answer is 1921. He was invited by APCC, Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, to propagate the message of non-cooperation in Assam. Thank you. अगला क्वेश्चन ग्रुप सी के लिए. Kamakya temple was rebuilt by which one of the following king? Your options are Vishwasingha, Raghudeva, Naranarayan, and Pranarayan. 20 seconds on you. Take your time. C. Are you sure? Hit it. Absolutely correct answer. C. Next, who built Sanchi? Stupa at Sanchi. Your options are Kanishka, Harshavardhana, Ashoka, Samudragupta.
Asoka.
Absolutely correct answer. Direct question. Gama landed India. Your options are 1424 at Goa, 1498 at Calicut, 1402 at Madras, 1490 at Kochi. Your time starts.
Option A.
Option A. Hit it. No. Correct answer is option B. 1948 at Calicut. 1498 at Calicut. Sorry. And Vasco da Gama discovered India. Sorry. Okay. Next question. Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and Muhammad Iqbal.
Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose.
Without any doubt, it is the right answer. The next question to group G. Your options are 1877, 1889, 1901, and 1911.
1911.
लगता है बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ के आए हैं. Absolutely correct answer. In Assam, your options are Gorgaon, Saraigao, Jorhat, and Sibsagar. Your time start now.
Jorhat.
माफ कीजिए मालिक. Correct answer is Saraigao. Okay.
Group A have scored nil, B have scored nil, Group C have scored 10, Group D also 10, Group E nil, Group F 10, Group G 10, Group H nil.
Thank you. किसने बोला? Absolutely correct answer. उनको एक पेन दिया जाए. अभी एक क्वेश्चन मिल रहा है. डायरेक्ट एक आदमी बस अभी उनको ही दिखाई दिया. एक पेन दिया जाए प्लीज उनको. Your name please? हाँ. Nice name. अगला फोटो. अगला फोटो. ये हमको घूस देने का कोशिश कर रहा है. सब देख रहे हैं ना, उन्हीं को बोलना है कौन है ये? आपकी तरह भी देख रहे हो।
Harry Potter.
ये तो काम नहीं करेंगे ना। नेक्स्ट ग्रुप जी। जो अच्छे से उस तरफ देख रहे हैं, कौन है वहाँ? उधर देख रहे हैं आप सब। का वर्डिक्ट लेते हैं ना, रंजन गोगोई। कौन है ये? ओ मागो। कौन है ये बच्चा? विशाल शर्मा बोले, उन्होंने बोल दिए तो मार दिया जाए। ये है रियान पराग। वो ऊपर में ना मिस्टर बिन का, सबको पता है मिस्टर बिन, लेकिन बेचारा का असली नाम भी पता होना चाहिए ना। तो आज कुछ कोई डाउट भी नहीं कर सकता ना। ठीक है, और एक दिखाऊं क्या? और एक सबके लिए। ये कौन है? ये तो बहुत ही मेरा बहुत देर से वेट कर रहा हूँ। और एक स्पेशल आने वाला है, जेफ बेजोस।
20 marks. Group B with 10 marks. Group C with 55 marks. Group D with 30 marks. Group E with 70 marks. Group F with 40 marks. Group G with 30 marks. And Group H with 65 marks. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So I would like to.
And we have got the results with us. So, I would like to request Honorable Dhan Singh sir to give away the prizes for quiz competition. So, the third prize for quiz competition goes to Green Valley Junior College.
They will receive
From Bokajan sir.
from Bokazan, Green Valley Junior College. They will receive a certificate, a trophy, and a cash prize as well. So here is our Honorable Dhan Singh sir. He is giving away the prizes of quiz competition. Third prize has been secured by Green Valley Junior College, Bokazan. Please give them a round of applause. The participating students of Rukasan College, they will receive a certificate, a trophy, and a cash prize. You all will be receiving a sanitizer each. Thank you very much, EM sir. We have request the winning team to come up over the dais and receive their prizes, please. Here, the contestant of Difu Government College, who has won today's quiz competition, and they have played brilliantly, answered brilliantly, and entertained each and everyone. Best of luck to them. They will receive a trophy, certificate, and cash prizes as well. So here is Diffu Government College team along with the chief guest of today's program, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Sir. They are receiving their prizes right now. Yeah, that's the spirit. Yes, we have another third prize, and your trophy will be given to you later on. Would you please go over there? I would like to request our Honorable Jay Kishore sir to give away the prizes for Arundhati. Yes, Arundhati, you are going to receive your certificate and a cash prize. Yes, Arundhati, you are going to get your trophy later on. We will be giving it to you. Thank you, sir. So we have participation certificate,